Hello kids, today we are learn capital letter alphabet E to Z and number name. So let's draw. Color name: sky blue color, black color, orange color, blue color, dark green color, red color, peach pink color, light green color, and purple color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's paint. Red color. A for alligator. Dark green color. B for butterfly. Blue color. C for candle. Peach pink color. D for dog. Orange color. E for elephant. Purple color. F for frog. Light green color. G for goat. Black color. H for hen. Sky blue color. I for ice cream. Red color. J for joker. Dark green color. K for kite. Blue color. L for lion. Peach pink color. M. M for mango. Orange color. N. N for nose. Purple color. O. O for onion. Light green color. P. P for penguin. Black color. Q. Q for queen. Sky blue color. R. R for rainbow. Red color. S. S for sun. Dark green color. T. T for tiger. Blue color. U. U for unicorn. Peace pink color. V. V for volcano. Orange color. W. W for watermelon. Purple color. X. X for Xmas tree. Light green color. Y. Y for yo-yo. Black color. Z. Z for zebra. Red color. 1. Dark green color. 2. Blue color. 3. Peace pink color. 4. Orange color. 5. Purple color. 6. Light green color. 7. Black color. 8. sky blue color. 9. Red color. 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.